Africa's automotive market is valued at more than $30 billion and is bound to increase even further due to the supportive government incentives and increasing urbanization in many countries across the region, which are encouraging infrastructural development, thus creating a positive outlook for the market. The Tanzanian government, through the Tanzanian Ports Authority, TPA, has tremendously invested in infrastructural development not only on the roads, air and rail, but also at the ports, which are why currently TPA handles majority of motor vehicles that are destined to Eastern and Southern African states of DRC, Burundi, Malawi, Rwanda, Uganda, Zambia and Zimbabwe, where vessels can come directly from Asia and Europe to TPA ports, with ro-ro vessels docking at the port every other day carrying between 900 to 3,000 vehicles and are discharged at an average of 120 vehicles per hour. Dar es Salaam Port is one of the Tanzanian ports that have witnessed heavy investments in its infrastructure through a multi-billion project called Dar Es Salaam Maritime Gateway Project, DMGP, which among other projects involved the changing of once a lighter quay to a state-of-the-art ro-ro berth that has a capacity to accommodate over 6,000 vehicles at a go. This investment has revolutionized the way TPA serves the automotive industry, particularly regarding the handling of imported motor vehicles, whereby ro-ro vessels have a dedicated berth that has now made it possible for vessels not to wait at the outer anchorage, saving shippers time and cost. Furthermore, TPA adheres to its standard operating procedures (SOPs) of handling the motor vehicles, which involves the following stages. First, when the ship docks at the ro-ro berth, TPA's officials go into the vessel and have a discussion with the chief of the vessel, and they go through the storage plan and discharge list to ascertain on which motor vehicles are to be discharged at the port and which deck to start the discharging. Second, a task force team consisting of drivers, unlashing team and inspection team boards the ship to start the discharging process. However, during this exercise, the inspection team conduct a very important exercise, which is to inspect the condition of the vehicles that are going to be discharged. During the exercise, the vehicles that are regarded to be complete are given a green sticker, whereas the ones regarded to be incomplete are given a red sticker, implying that something is missing, which may include power window, radio, compressor, etc. Thirdly, once the vehicles are transferred from the vessel to the berth, a second inspection exercise is conducted before the vehicles are allowed to proceed to the allocated yards. Fourth, upon reaching the respective yards, the vehicle undergo a final inspection. Thereafter, the motor vehicle and the respective keys are given a position number and identification number respectively. Fifth, the customer, through his or her agent, having completed all the documentation, is allowed to collect the vehicle. All these processes are recorded through a form called Vehicle Discharge Inspection and Transfer Tally (VDITT), which is signed whenever the vehicle is transferred from one stage to the other. This document gives a trace of the condition of the vehicle as it moves through the various stages till it reaches the customer or his or her agent, hence making it possible to identify where a shortcoming has emanated from. In case of any shortcoming while the vehicle is under TPA's custody, TPA takes full responsibility to recover and return the vehicle to its original condition, as will be agreed by the parties. Moreover, TPA maintains a standby technical team which is tasked with addressing any technical challenge that may arise with the vehicles as they are being discharged. With such a detailed SOP, vehicles that are handled at TPA are not only safe and secure, but also are handled at competitive rates and time. Tanzania Ports Authority, TPA, your gateway to global trade and prosperity.